Hey everybody, welcome back to Raph's Reviews. It's that time of the month again. You know it, it's Battlebox time. All right, let's take a look at what we got in here. If you're unfamiliar with Battlebox, it is a subscription box service, usually camping gear or survival gear. And it comes in different tiers. You have your basic box, your advanced box, your pro box, and your pro plus box. Um, if you've seen any of the previous videos, I've been just doing the Pro box for a while, but there was a promo going on and I was able to upgrade to the Pro Plus for 20 more bucks a month. So most of the time that Pro Plus is a knife of the month club, so I had knocked myself back down to Pro for a while, but I couldn't resist getting an additional item for 20 bucks a month. So this is Mission Brief 122. Now they are themed, and this one is themed waterworks. So it's going to be all things around water. So starting right off with the basics box, we have the PG Purifier of Water, a 4-pack of those. And that's what they look like there. Basically just some purification granules. So each one of these packets will treat 2.5 gallons of water, so you get 10 gallons of water worth of purifier there. So I'll stick that with the ones that I've got in previous boxes. You can never have enough water purification. All right, next we have the AquaGen X Alert Water Test. And that is it there. And basically what this will do is allow you to test a water source to see if it's safe enough to drink. And it's really just checking for bacteria to make sure that you are not getting sick from that. So basically you will open up this inner pouch, put your water in there along with that test kit. Comes with a quick start guide which has a QR code to help you do it correctly. But basically you'll collect 100 milliliters of water inside the Whirl pack. You'll add the growth medium to the sample and dissolve. Incubate the sample in a controlled temperature. If it's yellow, it's negative for E. coli. If it's blue or green, it's positive for E. coli. And if it's fluorescent underneath UV lights, it's positive for total coliform. So good thing to keep in a hiking pack, just in case if you get discombobulated or out of your way and you don't have enough water, you can at least test the water that you come upon to see if it will be suitable for drinking. Okay, next we have the Puribag bladder. So if you've ever had a Camelback, that's pretty much all that it is. And this is a 2-liter water bladder. And that is your 2-liter bag. Comes with a hose, some replaceable O-rings there. You know I'm all about blowing out some O-rings. I love these kind of bags that kind of open from the top, so that way you can get in there and clean them. You know, I have a lot of Camelbacks that have even some of the first ones that are super small openings that you can barely get anything in there. These are great because you can open them all the way. Now they do have an attachment for it. I did purchase this attachment. You get a 40% off coupon in the box to utilize for it, but you can purchase these filters for them to filter the water before it goes through your straw. So basically what you do is you'll connect one end to this hose and the other end to the bag, and then fill it up with whatever type of water and it'll filter it out as you're drinking it. So just to call out again, that filter does not come in the pack, but you can purchase it at 40% off. So next in the basic box, we have the Clean Drink, a 10-pack. These are basically fizzy tablets. You can stick them inside your water bottles, your thermos, your Camelback, whatever the case may be, and it'll kind of disinfect everything in there. Drop it in with some warm water. Shake or swirl the solution to coat the insides of the container. Wait 15 minutes, dump and rinse, and you're good to go. So each tablet is good for a 32-ounce container. So obviously whatever size your container is will determine how many tablets you need, but it does come with 10 tablets. Okay, so that was it for the basic box. We got the Purifier of Water. Oops, sorry, I forgot something. The AquaGuard Hydration. Whew, I had flashbacks of jalapeno cheese and MREs with that bad boy right there. So this is a hydration gel. Flavor is orange. So think about it kind of like, those Gatorade gels. Really what it's going to do is kind of help hold hydration into you. Adults, one packet every 3 to 4 hours. If you consume it 25 to 30 minutes prior to physical activity and or exposure to ambient temperatures, will kind of help keep you hydrated. Now onto the advanced box. So this is the rest tube. So that bad boy right there. Basically what you do is wear it around your waist or your hip and it'll inflate. Looks like we've got 2 CO2 cartridges coming with it. All right, so the part that I so elegantly dropped looks like a rescue whistle. Okay, so that is a pretty small profile right there. So what happened is when the CO2 cartridge is installed, you'll just pull this rip strap that will pierce the CO2 cartridge and inflate that rest tube for you. So convenient little small something to keep on you if you don't feel like wearing a whole life jacket. In case an emergency and you need it, you can get out and pull it. I don't think it's, let me see. So it doesn't look like it's water activated. It does look like it needs to be pulled via the ripcord, but better than nothing for sure. It is not a USCG approved flotation device, so it will not act as a flotation device on your watercraft, but definitely a good item to have. All right, moving on to the Pro Box, we have the portable water solutions on the go. So basically it looks like it's a battery powered shower. Up top, we've got some O-rings and obviously this nice zippered pouch that it all sits in. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We've got a detachable shower head. And that's nice. It does have an on-off switch on there. So like, if you're in an RV, normally you'll cut off the water at the head. So that way you're not wasting water. This will allow you to do the same and not use up all your water. Okay, then we have our battery pack that runs the whole woofer dealie. And then you have your attachments. So that would go on there. And then your other end on your head does have a little hole there so you can hang that up. I'm assuming we would just kick on this pump and toss it in the water. All right, let's go fill up a bucket with water and test this thing out. You do have a nice long cord. I can't even make it stretch out with my arms fully stretched out, and I'm 5'11", so it's got to be a little bit over 6 foot. But let me go grab a bucket. Okay, so I'm just going to hop outside, fill this up with water, and I'll just record with my iPhone the results. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to make sure I have this set to off. We'll go ahead and hold down the power button here. There it goes, so we'll just double tap that power button. So yeah, that thing has some pretty good pressure on it too. So again, we can turn it on, turn it off, wash off our stuff. Okay, so as you saw, there is 2 different pressure settings on there, so that's good. That's definitely super convenient. I'll probably keep that in the truck. All right, I do not see if you're supposed to drain it after use, but we will try to drain it just to be safe. I'll definitely keep that one laying around. All right, and last but not least, we have the Pro Plus box. This is a Vox Kita folder. It's got a stainless steel stonewash blade, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, 3.25-inch blade length, 7.5 inches overall. Has a reversible carry, pocket clip, and a back lock design. All right, so I guess that's the technical way to show it to you. All right, and there is the knife itself. And the blade. A nice little finger indentation on the bottom of the blade there. A decent size handle length for the size of a knife it is. Feels comfortable in the hand and very smooth operation there. And you are able to single hand use open due to the large hole in the blade. All right, that is going to do it for mission 122. I will put the prices somewhere around here all together so you can see if we made it worth our while for that box. I'll put the link for Battlebox down in the description below so that way you can see whatever their current prices are for their tiers. And other than that, if you have any questions about anything in the box, please drop that down in the comment section below. And as usual, if there's anything you'd like to see reviewed on this channel, please put that down there below. I'll try to get my hands on it and get a review for you. Other than that, see you next time. Bye.